4 reasons why you must start Amazon KDP today. The first reason is there is nothing to lose. So on Amazon KDP, you can start with $0, nothing to lose. Just sign up for KDP account. It's free. You can apply right now and press create right here, and then choose paperback, create paperback, and there is the title, and you can create the interior for free, the cover design for free, everything you can do it for free. So there is nothing to lose. I know that there are some tools that make it easier for you, that save your time and make it easier to publish more and more interior, but you can even start KDP without BookBolt, without using Creative Fabrica, without using all of these tools. So you can start for free. And someone will tell me, oh, you will lose your time, and time is valuable. I know time has a big value, of course, but you are not losing your time by doing that, because if you didn't make a sale, even one sale, you will be at a big knowledge. You will have knowledge, so you will be learning something new, some new skills that will benefit you from other aspects of your lives. So nothing to lose, so why not? The second reason is you can generate easily a passive income from Amazon. So for example, let's say that you created this book. For example, this book was created on 2022. I want a book that's published, for example, a year. So for example, this one, it was published last year, September 7th, 2021. And look, without any ads, it's ranked 471. So let's say that you have created this book and you spent, for example, let's say maybe $20, $30, or maybe you have spent your time creating it by yourself. So let's say that you spent 5 hours, because this one is coloring book, so maybe let's say 1 to 2 days to create this coloring book, and then more than a year and you are still getting sales. So you have created once and boom, $500 every day. So here 471, this is insane. So let's check BSR sales calculator, let's check that. So 471, I think, let me check, 471 sales, and its book 3,600 sales every single month. This is insane, and it was published a year ago. So maybe they spent some money on ads, but still 3,000 sales, not dollars, sales, and every sales. So this book is 5.99, so maybe 1.5 in profit. So more than $5,000 every single month from only one book. So imagine what you will have after creating a bunch of books. Let's say 20 coloring books, 20 activity books, 100 notebooks, because they are easy to create. So imagine the income that you are generating if you start very well with a good launch and you spend some money on ads. And by the way, I don't advise the beginners to use ads at the beginning. Firstly, you should be used to create books by yourself until you reach the degree of a good book, good title, good subtitle, and good keywords. So this is a very good way to generate passive income from Amazon. The third reason is there are millions and millions of visitors and customers on Amazon every single day. So Amazon already have the trust from people and from its customer. So you don't have to build your own audience and build your own trust from scratch. No, there are billions of people, billions of packages from Amazon delivered to customers. So why you don't contribute and get some of that money away from Jeff Bezos? So get started for free, and there's nothing to lose. And yeah, so we'll have high demand here, millions every single day. So take the chance and invest in this big opportunity. The fourth reason, and the last reason actually, is you can expand. So on Amazon, you will create, let's say, paperback. Then you can expand that to hardcover book. You can do it for free. You can expand even to Kindle ebooks. And you can also create a series of books. So all of these are from the first paperback, the same book, and you expand your business and you will have maybe 4 or 5 streams of income from the same book, from the same work, and they are all passive income. So here's a big chance. And even you can create an audiobook, but this is for high content books, not for low and medium content books like coloring and activity books. So here are a big chance, a big opportunity to make money online from the customers that already visiting these books. So I'm surprised if someone told me that, oh, it's saturated. No, it's not saturated. The best day to start Amazon KDP was before 10 years, and the second best time is today. So after watching this video, don't go to watch other videos, many bunch of videos. No, search for a tutorial. If you don't have already a KDP account, search for a tutorial that teach you from A to Z how to create Amazon KDP box. And by the way, I will create a full tutorial, a full video, long video, explaining how can you create the books from scratch, from the very beginning to the last publish button. So that video will be released on the first day of the next year, 2023, 1st of January. So stick around and it will be a very good video. I will put a lot of effort on that video so I can help as many people as I can.